A tropical disturbance wreaked havoc across the Western Caribbean, impacting Dominican Republic, Jamaica, and Haiti with floods and landslides before dissipating. The disturbance led to significant consequences, including power outages, fatalities, and the displacement of thousands.
Ahí mismo. Yo grabando. Okay.
In Jamaica, approximately 14,000 customers experienced power loss due to heavy rains that brought down trees, severed power lines, and triggered landslides. The southeastern region faced severe flooding, necessitating the rescue of at least 24 individuals by the Jamaican Defense Force. Tragically, 2 lives were lost in Haiti's Grand Anse region, where floods claimed victims swept away by the rushing waters. Initially, forecasters speculated that the disturbance might evolve into a tropical cyclone. However, by Friday night, the likelihood diminished, and the disturbance dissipated near the eastern end of Cuba. Despite its dissipation, the U.S. National Hurricane Center cautioned about the lingering threat of flash floods and mudslides over the weekend in southeastern Cuba and the shared island of Hispaniola, Haiti, and the Dominican Republic. Meanwhile, the Dominican Republic faced its own weather-related crisis. Heavy rains resulted in at least 21 fatalities and the displacement of thousands. Over 13,000 residents had to relocate to safer areas due to torrential rains that flooded homes, caused power outages, and damaged infrastructure. Notably, 9 individuals lost their lives when the wall of a highway tunnel collapsed onto their cars, as reported by the National Police. Videos circulating on social media depicted the alarming scenes of rushing water carrying away cars and inundating ground floors of buildings. Protection agencies conducted over 2,500 rescues, while more than 2,600 homes were impacted by the storm. 45 communities were without communication as of Sunday afternoon. Dominican president declared this weather event as the largest rainfall event ever in the nation's history. The storm's impact prompted the suspension of classes until Wednesday to assess affected schools and ensure the safety of students. President Abinader expressed deep shock at the loss of life and offered unconditional support to those affected by the emergency.
No hay paso aquí. Se desbordó todo esto, no hay paso. No hay paso para la carretera.
30 se acaba de derrumbar la casa al lado de una construcción que están haciendo. Ya hay una persona herida, José lo está herido. Y aquí está el hoyo. Se derrumbó la marquesina y la segunda planta con todo se fue para el hoyo. Aquí está. Aquí se derrumbó todo. Aquí se derrumbó todo. Mira cómo está todo aquí. Mira cómo está el hoyo allá abajo. La segunda planta se derrumbó con todo, miren. Mira cómo está esto. Tanto que se...
Additionally, it was reported that 4 of the fatalities were U.S. nationals and 3 were from neighboring Haiti. An ongoing investigation aims to understand the circumstances surrounding this devastating weather event. As the rainfall persisted, the U.S. Embassy cautioned that certain parts of the country would continue to experience adverse weather conditions, with the majority of provinces under red and yellow weather alerts.
Eso es ahora mismo, señores.
Miren los carros como es. La Lincoln con Roberto Pastores.
Miren, señor, esto es aquí en el distrito municipal de Palmar de Ocoa. El río entró a las 6 de la mañana y nada, a las autoridades que se apiaden de nosotros.
Así va el río Ocoa, con intersección en el Palmar de Ocoa, desembocadura en el Palmar de Ocoa, río Ocoa. Así va.
Mira, ese es debajo del elevado de la 27, de la Gómez, debajo del elevado de la Gómez, se cayó la pared y le cayó encima al menos, yo calculo que deben de haber que sea 10 vehículos. Aquella pared va con